Hey guys, what's good? So last video I said I was going to get out of Sacramento a little bit. It was hot here, still is hot here. Yesterday was 113, 114. I took off to San Francisco and played around out there. So I want to give you guys a taste of some of the videos that I did out in SF, and this is actually going to be all the video with my GepRc Phantom 2.5, and then I will get back at you guys. And then we're going to play a video, my last video I did on my 5-inch, which I haven't really gotten around to showing you guys, but I think it was pretty funny. I'll get back at you and we'll review. Alright, well, I hope you guys like those clips. I was kind of limited to how much I flew during the day in San Francisco. As some of you may know, it is not windy in that city. So flying throughout the inner parts of the city with the gusting through the buildings, hitting upwards to 25, maybe even 30 mile an hour on the gusts, I wasn't ready to risk flying the 2.5 GepRc Phantom and possibly losing it, crashing it or whatever. So I was just kind of playing it nice and cool, and when the opportunities came up to fly, I put it up. But I got one more clip I'm going to show you guys today, and here it is. the video just kind of stopped there at the end, like midair. That wasn't planned. I'm still getting used to my new controller, and I accidentally disarmed. And by this little clip right here, you can see I almost saved it. Like, I don't even know how almost it was, because I still needed to throttle up. So my video starts recording anytime I'm armed and my props are spinning. So I almost saved it. I got some pics of the hike that I had to do down, just so you can get some better perspectives of it. It was the first dive that happened at the beginning of the last video. And yeah, let me tell you what, I got down there, I got the drone, as you can see up here, got the drone, was super excited, like, yay, made it back up this cliffside, and, you know, some guys were like, oh, you're down there, is there a trail down there? I'm like, no, dude, there's no trail down there, I made a trail down there, like, I could have slipped, fall, broken something easily. And he was like, oh, just for, you know, a toy? And I was like, yeah, this is a $700+ piece of toy. But anyways, about to leave, and guess what? My keys got snagged on a rock. My pockets were zipped up, but I have it on a lanyard, and it grabbed a rock and ripped out 10 feet from the drone. And so I had to make another trip down this cliffside. I had to do 2 trips, and I wasn't planning on doing that. But I got the drone. It's not too bad. Actually, yeah, no, it's pretty bad. So the air unit has stopped working, and I mean, it landed in rocks in the water, so I'm not surprised. And then, surprisingly, my flight controller still powers up, and everything is pretty straightforward. I want to diagnose it, take it apart, and get it all cleaned up with some alcohol. Motors might be gone, but I've been wanting to upgrade these anyways. I might end up doing one of these 3.5 builds I've seen in the comments. Doing some research on something now. I might just go ahead and do a 3.5 and do another air unit before, like, I don't know, maybe they won't sell air units anymore after they ban all the DJI stuff if they do that. But grab another air unit for the 3.5, and then I want to do something different on another 5-inch build, because I want a 5-inch with a GoPro, so I want to do a naked GoPro on this, so I don't need as good of a camera up front. I don't need to catch 4K while I'm just seeing I can run a 2.7K or whatever. So going to build another 5-inch. I could repair this one. I could repair this frame and just use this frame. So I might do that. But yeah, man. First big crash. Had to go for a hike. I'm just glad I have the right shoes on. But anyways, look, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. We'll see if we can put up some video of me trying to get this thing situated, cleaned up, whatever, and see if it comes back to life. I'll let you know. Keep you guys posted. Take it easy. Stay cool.